next thing on our list of gap upgrades are these skid plates. So let me show you everything about them. So this one is our front engine skid plate. As you can see, it's a nice solid skid plate with only holes to allow for the water drainage, as well as we have some access holes for the oil filter as well as the oil pan. So on the inside, as you can see, there are some gaskets and reinforcements, as well as all the brackets to make it a nice and easy installation. This is our transmission skid plate. As you can see, it also has drainage holes for the water to escape through, as well as openings for all kinds of services and oil changes. They are ready to go, so pretty much all we need to do is install them. The installation is pretty easy, so let's get to it. Okay, like I said, the installation is pretty easy. There's only 4 bolts holding it together. There are 2 up front and 2 on the back. We have a lift, but if you don't have a lift, it helps to have a second person to help you. So I got the front skid plate loosely fitted on the car. The first 2 bolts are holding in place, and that will allow us to put 2 remaining bolts into the factory trail holes in the crossmember. And once we do that, we can install the caps for the inspection plates, and we are done with the front skid plate. Now we can move on to the back. So once again, I have the skid plate loosely fitted on both front bolts. So now I can go ahead and install the 2 remaining bolts to the factory crossmember, and basically we are done. It's that easy. The last things to do on the list for this Lexus are rear bumper as well as roof rack, and this thing will be ready to hit the trails. In the meantime, leave us some comments, give us a like, and see you guys in the next one.